Let me pray for you. This is Dr. Chukwuka Dibia, Yahweh water of life. This water of blessed death. Make men and women and it's free. I don't say my water. To see me one-on-one is free. But if you're calling me on phone to settle your problems, that means you have to join party. Because calling on phone requires that I have to do some spiritual work for you to benefit. Please support in this on the 4th and the 5th as you can try. And I pray for you, God will wish you. So that January 4th, we're going to help people do Thanksgiving to start the year. It's always good to thank. The reason why we're doing this Thanksgiving 20 years celebration of life. Because of you who don't understand why we're doing it. This is the time I started my ministry officially in 2006. After I was shot 7 bullets. Why did I was shot? I was making wave. After I received a word from Jonathan, people become envious of me, my success, and they were having crash in Nollywood. And men send me assassin. They sent 4 people from Okeja. They go be assassin. Ndusi Okeja, where Lagos, they shot me 7 bullets and they carried my car. My jeep went. But to glory of God, all of them was captured in Anambra State and brought them to Panti and sentenced them to death by SARS. So I'm here to tell you that now our God is mightier than all, and he that with God is majority. Try and see. That's why I am here to tell you there's no power that's above God. If you're following me, what I don't want you to do is to fear any man, fear nobody, because all my sons and daughters are covered.
Anambra State, not Anambra State government, Anambra State as a state officially unveiled or flagged off the New Yam Festival. Several communities have already celebrated that. I know in my community.
A lot of people are surprised about the good work our governor is doing in the state. But frankly speaking, I'm not surprised because it's exactly what I expect him to do. He understands what it is. He understands what is required. So he's taking the bull by his horn. And please let us look home. The time has come for looking back home. Opportunity in our state, like I said, everything that is required is available.
Collaboration with the government is the best way to create employment for the masses.
It's about changing gears. Why do we have to change gears? Why does it matter now? As the largest development agency in the United Nations family, we see where the trends are going. Development financing is shifting. It means that Anambra and the people of Nigeria must begin to look internally in terms of how do we create wealth for our people. We are in times of crisis and uncertainties. Today is climate change, tomorrow is war, it is COVID. For us to be able to be resilient to crisis themselves, we need to find solutions, and that's why
the solution governor. Okay, front city ha na-ekwu maka ya. Buka ha mebe nnọọ ọsịsọ ka mụ na ndị enyi m bịa nwere ebe ahụ. Ogenede. Tibe ya
from Anambra State, and then I'm sure that every Anambarian is seeing the difference. Myself in particular, I'm a witness. And what we're seeing is that people are now beginning to have confidence in the state. People knows what to do, and we will do the best in the area of energy, power. I am with EEDC, and we continue to do our best. The innovative spirit of the government and the people.
Anambra State, not Anambra State government, Anambra State as a state officially unveiled or flagged off the New Yam Festival. Several communities have already celebrated that. I know in my community we've done that one case, I think in August or so. We did that in August, and several other communities have done so. But today we celebrate it as a state. As a state. Nigeria ọkachasị ndị Anambra anyị si ife ọsọkwa gị na-eme ife ọsọ gị na-alụ from gọvanọ to nwunye gọvanọ ọ na deputy gọvanọ nwunye ndị nkụzi na ndị ụkọchukwu na ndị onye ọbụla once ị nwere 1 square meter space n'ebe ibi wee nwezie wee nwee garden wee nwee azụ ụlọ wee nwee ugbo ekwesịghị ịma anị dị na Anambra ga-abụ olu oge a na-akọ ife ọkọkọchago ekwesịrị ọbụla n'ebe ọbụla anadị ekwesịrị ime gịnị ịkọ ife maka na onye ọbụla
the solution gọvanọ ebee ka ọ na-agakwa nna sikwa ga Anambra dị obeekwa bụkwa nka oke fọnd siti ha na-ekwu maka ya ka ha mebe nnọọ ọsịsọ ka m na ndị enyi m bịa nwelebe ahụ ọgenede tibe ya mmọnwụ egodo nwoke
We're in the year of 2025, the year of Aguleti, the year of Aguleti chamber, the year that your enemy must bow. You have come to conquer, to bring down the kingdom of darkness. Join Zion City of David, the Igbo liberation. You have come to restore peace in Igbo land.
That these attributes position the state for and development of states in this country. I came with one of ours who had built a factory in Sokoto, built one in Lagos. I wanted to build the top one. I said, no, we're going to have sitting here, a young man here. Because there's some of them we have built who has the capacity. We can transform this state and make it great. God bless you.
All my sons and daughters will be a multi-billionaire. All the sons and daughters of Zion City will produce. Chukwuka, Dibia. Chukwuka,
industrial progress, a center of innovation, and a model for sustainable development.
Anambra is much more than ready for investment. We're asking people to invest in Anambra, not to do us a favor. We're asking people to invest in Anambra in their own self-interest. Money will go to where it is safe and it is profitable. It can make money. Especially in the new cities that we are building, 3 new cities. The mixed-use industrial city, the Oka 2.0 and the Onitsha 2.0. If you take the investment there today, in some years to come, you will compare with other locations where you have investment in terms of return on investment. People know why they are here. Those who are in, one are expanding, and those who are still out there doing analysis. Those who are in today, in a few years' time, will be able to tell the story. So, not by accident that Anambra is rated number 1 on ease of doing business of the 17 states in southern Nigeria. Our opportunities are clear. Here we're presenting you with bankable projects. The industrial city, very bankable. Is that the 10-story Marriott Hotel? That's part of the thing we're probably deciding here. The piling is already ongoing. Our fund city is ongoing, nearly about 90% completed. And we have a new city as well that will be developing, Agro Lake area that will be developing. Another city about 200 hectares that will be the future entertainment, leisure city of not only Nigeria but of West Africa. So we're not just saying come and this. Those who start will have quite stories to tell. We did the Kaolin plant, the proof of concept. But then we have several other which will be commissioned in the next few months. Then other solid minerals, come and partner with us. We are having them sorted out now to work with the Federal Ministry of Solid Minerals to get the concessions ready for business. Come in and put the risk them and ready for you to make money. Let us partner to create prosperity.
Attention please. Anambra State, Igbo land will be great again.
We're also going to declare a war.
My governor, His Excellency, Governor Professor Sorube, in this agenda of fighting against Umu Native Doctor and Umu Ezewai, Umu Ofeke. Evil Native Doctor had destroyed everywhere. Destroy Anambra State in case no matter what he had to know to do it. For the in the making it and a moment. We're going back to do it. And now walk us and then make us say, thank God, God have answered our prayer. Today, my name is Prophet Dibia with Chukwuka Dibia. I am backing you up, my governor. 100% spiritual and physical. May Almighty Yahweh Chukwuka go and bless you and give you power to conquer the enemy. Anambra State will be greater. Share the telecast.
For Tujule Benine, now confusing these kids. We're also going to declare a war on them. I am Alifobo. Otherwise, we'll come and take you out and burn that place and clear it out of Anambra. Anambra cannot condone those kind of people in the state. We are going to begin to register them. We are going to document to you malaria and so on. Let us know. We come and visit.
May the souls of those who lost their life in Makeda rest in peace. Anyị mara ọkịja si nna arụsị n'ụwa ahụ. Anyị mara ọkịja ndị na-agwọ ọgwụ ego. Ọ bụrụ onye kwuo ya, agbawa buutu ya. Arụ ga-akwụsị n'ala Igbo. Nwere ife ndị magasi na arụsị wee pụta. Jiri ife mere onye ọzọ wee mara ife. A sị eburu ozu onye ọzọ dịka egbugbu nkụ.
Arusenugu state na Maramoso. Imanarusa Anambra state na Maramoso. Nkimo state Burajata. Imanagadaga Nenuao. Chukwuka Dibia. Oya buru wane ya buru ya buru. Oya buru wane ya. Dr. Chukwuka Dibia na Mambanu.